What is that? Is that your AI image? That's cringe.
You're cringe, Shinji.
What? Ah!
RVCs allow you to change one voice into any other voice you have a recording of. It even works with text to speech. The process of making your own personal voice is as easy as 1, 2, 3, with one exception: preparing the data. But if AI is really so powerful, could we use AI to automate the data we need for AI? AIception? With this new tool I developed, yes. Now, training your AI voice model really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's walk through how you do it. No expertise required. All of the information presented here will also be available in text form at protopomp.com, a place where anyone can learn to use open source AI. Link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. First thing you want to do is install WSL if you do not have it already. This is a Linux subsystem. Very easy to install. Just Google how to install WSL. WSL allows us to run all of our packages nice and smoothly. You'll also want to Google how to install CUDA on WSL. This allows us to use the GPU when pre-processing. Here I'm just going to pin where my WSL is installed. That allows me to get back to it a lot faster. Now I follow the link in the description that leads me to my automated data pre-processing. This web page has all the instructions that I need to get started, so all that's left to do is open up a terminal and follow along with the instructions in the README, which you can see too if you scroll down on the web page. Fortunately, everything I need to do can be done inside this terminal right here. It's just a matter of copying and pasting. I'm going to make a folder where I can upload my raw video to be processed automatically. I'm going to do Neon Evangelion from a Blu-ray disc that I bought before. You can see the raw video files that I have right here. Right here, I'm going to open up the Excel file with free software called LibreOffice. This will allow me to specify Shinji's line that he says in each one of these episodes. As you can see here, we have 4 columns. Speaker is simply the label I want to give the output folder when I'm done running everything. The episode is the input file name minus the extension. So if the process gives us episode1.mkv, I just want to name it episode 1. In the line column, I specify what line to use for automatic extraction. For example, if Shinji says, "My Father's Agency" in the first episode, the folder that has the audio line, "My Father's Agency," will be labeled Shinji and put into our Shinji output folder. And finalize as to whether to put the processed results in the output folder. With the Excel file completed, I can continue on and just run the script as specified in the GitHub repository. Here I specify my input folder, data, my output folder I'd like to use, data output, and I specify the specification file, which is that Excel file we just made. Speaker label would be Shinji. I also specify -K. This allows me to keep all of the inputs separated, so each episode is processed individually and I don't have one big file. And now we have all of Shinji's lines in the first 3 episodes done and completed. Next step is to simply run the data through UVR5. This is a program that can just be downloaded from the internet quite easily. Open source. Link will also be in the description. This program will automatically remove the background sounds and music from your audio, making it better to train on. The final step is to get RVC, another open source tool. Link will be in the description. And this little tool here allows us to just throw our data in, change a few options from default if you like. Defaults work just fine as well. And create our voice changing model. It even has the tools to run inference so you can use it in this program too. Here at the bottom, I'm going to set it to 200 epochs for training. I want to save a checkpoint every 25 epochs, so I can use models from different points in the training. This, of course, is optional. I also save a final model to the weights folder at each save point. This allows me to use the model from before and see if it works a little better. Usually, the final model works just fine though. And this is how I ran inference to give you that little clip at the beginning. You just play with the options here and see what gives you the best result. Very simple to use. And that is it. That is how you create your own voice changer model. Please do like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like more content just like this. Thank you.